Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up credit freezes with Equifax using official tools step by step clearly. Visit the Equifax website at www.equifax.com. Navigate to the Credit Report Assistance section. Locate the option for credit freeze or fraud alerts. Click on the link to start the credit freeze process. If you are not already a member, create a free account by providing your email address and setting a password. Verify your identity by entering your personal information, including your social security number, date of birth, and address. Follow the prompts to confirm your identity through the verification steps provided. Once verified, select the option to place a credit freeze. You will be asked to create a personal identification number or PIN for future access. Make sure to write down this PIN and store it in a secure place. Review the information about your credit freeze and confirm your request. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that your credit freeze has been successfully placed. You can also request a freeze by calling Equifax directly at their customer service number. Keep the confirmation details for your records. Remember, a credit freeze prevents lenders from accessing your credit report. This helps protect your identity from potential fraud. To lift or remove the freeze in the future, you will need your PIN or password. Make sure to follow the same process if you wish to unfreeze your credit at any time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.